I get hit by a drunk driver and I sue them, and then I end up getting a judgment or a settlement, do I have to pay taxes on that? What do you think? So I did a video where I talked about the different things that a juror has to consider in giving an award in a personal injury case. And a lot of people commented and raised some questions like, do I have to pay taxes on that? And some well-meaning people were just wrong. And they said, no, that's always exempt. Well, it's not always exempt. And you can get yourself in a little bit of trouble if you think that way. So in a personal injury case, there are times when some of it is exempt and times when some of it is not under the tax code. So if you're talking about compensatory damages, most of the time, those things are exempt, but not always. So when you talk about lost wages, as long as it's related specifically to the injury, then yes, it's exempt under the tax code. But medical bills, they are exempt under the tax code, but not if you've already written them off. So there's some nuances that you really got to be careful of. But punitive damages, now those are always taxable. Interest on the judgment, always taxable. And so there are times when it is taxable and times when it is not. And how those dollars get allocated in which category can make the difference in thousands of dollars to the victim. So don't just start thinking that they're all tax exempt, because they're not. Sometimes they are, sometimes not.